guys, we've been thinking a lot about our next recipe. We're making lunch, and our next recipe is going to be homemade mac and cheese. The ingredients needed for homemade mac and cheese for my recipe will be half block of Velveeta, 1 box rotini, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 cup of burger cooked. Hi guys, we're gonna start cooking this. So, what we've already done is boiled and cooked the noodles. We boiled water, put the noodles in, and now we're going to add half blocks of cheese, and then we will add the milk, and then sprinkle the burger on top. So let's get started. So add these in. Okay. Milk. Now sprinkle the burger on top. You can use one of these plastic spoons if you want. If you want to use a grown-up one like the silver ones, you can use those. But you can use plastic ones too. And you have to have a burger that is cooked. If you don't have it cooked, the other things are already good because we've had the milk, because the milk is fresh, and the cheese is already cheese. So you need to cook the burger and the noodles. We're back, and we have the taste tester, and this is the last project of this whole video, and let's see how it is.
Okay. It's good. You did a good job. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thanks for watching my show. Look out for other episodes.